Embark on an unforgettable cosmic journey, the cosmic adventures of Stella and Leo in PDF. Are you ready for an interstellar adventure that combines the magic of storytelling with the wonders of science? Look no further. We're thrilled to introduce the cosmic adventures of Stella and Leo, a journey through the wonders of science in PDF format, bringing the cosmic magic directly to your digital library. Immerse yourself in a world of discovery. Join siblings Stella and Leo on an awe-inspiring journey through the cosmos. From the breathtaking beauty of distant galaxies to the mysteries of quantum physics, this captivating tale seamlessly integrates science and imagination. It's the perfect blend of education and entertainment for readers of all ages. Why choose the PDF version? Instant access. No need to wait for shipping. Get immediate access to the digital version and start your adventure right away. Portable and convenient. Take the cosmic journey with you wherever you go, whether it's on your laptop, tablet, or e-reader. Enjoy the story on your terms. Interactive features. Dive deeper into the science behind the story with interactive links, engaging visuals, and a format that adapts to your device. Special limited time offer. For a limited time, we're offering the cosmic adventures of Stella and Leo in PDF at a special discounted price. Don't miss your chance to own this unique blend of science fiction and education for a fraction of the cost. How to get your cosmic adventure started? Click the link below to visit our secure online store. Choose the PDF option and add it to your cart. Complete your purchase, and voila! Your digital cosmic adventure awaits. Get your PDF copy now. Bonus, exclusive content. As a token of appreciation for choosing the PDF version, you'll receive exclusive bonus content, including behind-the-scenes insights from the author and additional cosmic illustrations. Join the cosmic community. Share your thoughts and connect with fellow cosmic adventurers on social media using the hashtag #CosmicAdventures. We can't wait to hear about your journey through the wonders of science. Don't miss out on this opportunity to experience the magic of the cosmic adventures of Stella and Leo in PDF format. Grab your copy now and let the cosmic journey begin.